Yeah. I'm still not familiar with the car.
You're not familiar with the car?
Yeah.
You! You tell me driving instructor!
And start lah. Your
Wait
name.
for me to frame first.
Hello, my name is...
Okay, hi guys, my name is Jeremy.
And I'm Daniel Sid.
Okay, we are here today at Changi, right? Because Zeng TV is filming an episode about Gymkhana and I feel like this is the best opportunity to prank our friends Kishan and Jaarvis.
They think that this is going to be their first driving lesson, right?
Yeah.
So Jaarvis decided to make one of my friends go bungee jumping and he was terribly scared. And to his credit, he didn't pussy out. We all went bungee jumping. But it's still going to be fun to see him scream like a little bitch. And Kishan is just so damn annoying. He's been bugging Jeremy. Hey bro, help me find driving instructor. I want to learn how to drive. Can Jeremy find me driving instructor? Hey! You know how to Google or not?
Now Google not!
Google! Private driving instructor! Which area you stay? Add in! Somebody will pick you up in the house, dude! Just go! Google shit! But also guys, remember, don't try this at home. This is all done in a closed circuit and a controlled environment. We've got an ambulance standing by because, you know, things can go wrong. But of course, we don't want things to go wrong.
So now that we're done with this segment, right, I will head over to pick the both of them up. Well, Daniel Sid will just hide. Okay, come, let's go meet your instructors.
I'm here to learn what? Driving, is it?
Yes.
You know how to
Your first driving lesson.
Hey, why want to learn how to drive? Just took a cab here. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Chase.
Nice, Chase.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Chase. Thank you for waiting. But my lesson's done. Because 45 minutes, that ride, right? The Grab driver taught me everything, eh?
Okay lah, then we go back.
The key to driving.
To ride.
No, just book a Grab.
That's not driving, what?
Finger away.
You sit down, you're in the car, what? You're driving.
You are being driven.
We are done setting up the car already, yeah?
Mm.
So you all can enter your vehicles, then we will see you all at the circuit.
Okay, which is my vehicle?
Not this one.
The
Which
red
one?
one.
Yeah, you got red one.
You also in the
You, I am here.
Why you are there?
My car nicer.
Huh? No, that's nicer.
Yeah, I know.
So sweet.
Hey, must wear helmet lah.
For sake. Then my hair out.
No, because now the new rule has just applied for all the students to put on helmet.
You know when I thought I was doing driving classes, I thought like, you know, this Honda Venzel or what? What's this? What you got?
Oh, because it's easier to use an old car to conduct lessons.
Huh?
Better to use an old car to conduct lessons.
Old car? You got stickers all over your car, like, so it's a gang.
Oh no, this one when I bought the car, they come with the stickers.
So...
You can put on the seatbelt and put on the helmet.
Okay. Which one first? Helmet first.
Yep, sure.
What circuit is it? Just drive or just go rounding?
It's almost like the SSDC circuit, but then it's private lah. Okay, just relax first. Wear your helmet.
Generally, this one is actually quite easy. Not to worry. This is actually to bring you to the circuit. Then you know that this circuit is actually very good for those who are interested in driving.
I saw the website for driving.
Okay.
They didn't say helmet. They didn't say sports car. They just said, okay, why did I sign up for this? This is why they always say read the fine print before you sign up for anything.
Yeah, normally you drive also you wear helmet lah.
Yeah. This is our driving instructor company's policy.
No, normally also wear helmet lah.
No lah, only when we do our job lah.
Oh.
Yeah, normal drive no need lah.
So you were saying you passed your...
I just passed about 1 month ago. So I also asked Jess to find me a student. Then he said, yeah, I have a friend who is interested. I said, okay, good. Hey.
So you passed 1 month ago.
Yeah.
Now you got clutch problems.
Yes.
And I'm your first student. You couldn't make me a second or third one.
You are the first. Confirm you are the first.
I just want to say, right, I'm a very big deal in Singapore, you know. So if anything, right, you are definitely going to end up mothership.
Sorry.
So down here is what speed limit?
50. But you really follow speed limit
There.
lah.
47 now.
Why so nice one lah.
I'm teaching you ma.
Because camera on only you following the speed limit, right? Fuck you. Where got you drive this car go 47 one?
Of course, we are driving instructor. We have to follow protocol and teach you.
Yeah, okay.
After you finish your license, you go outside. I can't stop you lah. I think you also understand lah.
Yeah. I also know you don't drive at 50.
Yeah, Mom, I might not be coming home indefinitely. Why driving need helmet? Right, because you're in the car. My mother's asking. Hello, yeah, Mom. She wants to know your credentials. Ma, you only passed 1 month.
We reached our destination. Yes.
Wow.
Very big space, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, so when you learn, you don't have to worry about knocking anything.
Yeah.
So have you been to this part of Singapore before?
No, I stay in the West, Chris.
Okay.
So this is all new land to me. I don't, I don't understand.
This is a good place for learning because there's less car. There's no traffic police around and it's much easier to concentrate. You don't have to worry about paying someone because so long you stay within a speed limit, everything's...
After you said that, now they're going to come. They're going to watch this video and go, oh, they think we don't come to Changi. Now they're going to come.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you just told them where to come.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Here, why you come here? Only 50, can go 50 only what? In your car. Your car says...
I just passed 1 month, I cannot go too fast.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I'm still not familiar with the car.
You're not familiar with the car.
Yeah.
Okay, so the handle on your left, you can grab one.
Okay. Wow, the car nice.
So this is the event.
Fuck.
You look at the cones.
Wow, they all come for this event.
Yeah.
Then why they taking video?
Okay.
Just go a bit faster.
Sure. For what? Chris! Chris!
So you look at the cones, you see how I drive.
Okay.
Ready?
Motherfucking bastard! Fuck you! You tell me driving instructor! Dog! Fuck you! What the fuck?
I thought you don't know how to drive, Chris. This is not driving 101. Should have just told me we're going Universal Studios or what, right? Oh my God!
What the hell? You talk on that's why you wear helmet now, faster than me helmet. What happening?
This is not what I signed up for. Hello? Ah!
Should we go more?
I shat myself, I think. No, I didn't.
Ow! Wow, the tire smell f***ing nice.
You drive and my phone flew out.
Welcome. This is Gymkhana.
What?
Gymkhana.
What the heck is that?
It's a motorsport discipline where you go through obstacles.
Yeah. You know, you're so lucky I didn't eat this morning. You know, that scared the shit out of me. I've never done such a thing. Thank you very much.
No.
Yeah, that's about it for me. Thank you.
So much.
Wow, nice.
Nice.
Nice. F*** you.
Not scared.
No, I don't scare happening.
Oh, yeah, man.
Wow.
He likes it, man.
I thinking why I need to wear helmet now I find out. Wow, I can smell the rubbers.
Shit out of you. Shit out of you, you bastard. I knew it though. You bastard. You deserve it. I hate you.
Now you know how to drive or not?
No. This is why I'm never driving again. You know what? I'm taking this back. Because I'm never sitting in anybody's car without a helmet because you never know where you're gonna go. I knew it, you know. Where did you get a car like that? You know what I learned? Today's lesson, here's what I learned today. Never trust your drivers. Never trust the car. Never trust your friends. Are you the fucking...
Motherfucker going at 47, say follow speed limit.
You know why I'm hanging on to you?
Fucking hell.
You smaller, bro. These is a buffalo, so I have to take it out on somebody. You know, I just want to let you know, I'm never taking out my helmet ever again.
Why?
I cannot trust anybody anymore.
Take out lah.
No, you know what you should do? Just cover your face. Why?
safety. You know, you can put like this.
Safety. You take your hair
You talking
and you
too much.
you eat it. You eat your hair. Ow!
Can put
It
tight
works
on the
lah.
top.
Yeah, I
It
know.
works.
I know, that's
It
why I
works.
So for the viewers, right?
Gymkhana
You
is a
want
Tamil
to
song.
understand what Gymkhana is, right? Okay, go and watch Jeff and Fan's video next, right? On what Gymkhana is about. Okay?
You know got four of us here, right?
Yeah.
So
Well,
why you gotta put your face in the camera for?
You all had enough airtime.
I think Gymkhana is a very nice word. And this is the first time I want to be the driving instructor for Gymkhana also. It's the most exhilarating experience of my life today only.
Learn how to speak English first. Very big word for you. Exhilarating.
Exhilarating, correct
It's
what?
a very big word
Yeah,
for you.
it is.
Shut up for your diamond poser.
I want to thank the instructors for today.
Yeah, can we thank Chris?
Yeah, please, thank you, bro.
Thank you. He's super cool lah. He like it so much.
Yeah.
He's super cool.
Thank you. Okay, I will go, Marcus.
Yeah,
I just want to
okay.
personally apologize to the sound man. Because I think it's just burst already.